Wednesday, August 20, 2025. I'm gonna show y'all a quick trick. It's called sliding the tandems forward. So I'm gonna show y'all a quick trick the first and last time. It's called sliding the tandems forward on a tractor trailer. So you see how the rear tire, like the last two set of tires right there, and you see how it's all this body. It's still gonna be a 53 footer, the biggest trailers, but I'm gonna show y'all what's called sliding the tandems forward if I can. That's called sliding the tandems forward. Hopefully you're able to see it. I know it's kind of hard, but pretty much, as you probably could see, pretty much bringing the body, that back body, right up where the rear tires are. You know what I mean? So that way it kind of just takes away some of the unnecessary length that's only used for when you back the semi to a dock for loading and unloading with the forklifts and stuff. They like the extra length. But when you're hitting the road and you're going, like I got a 400-mile trip up to Georgia ahead of me, so I like to just slide that whole body part back a little closer, so you don't have all